back to Destiny's Destinations. Today's day 5 and we're in Ocean Cay, Bahamas, which is MSC's private island. Come join the day and night with us.
Wild where you go. It's windy and it's not windy.
My dad and I woke up and watched them pull up next to the island and dock. That was very cool. Deck 16 is a great area. This statue, my dad, is so funny. But it was a beautiful island. We had an amazing day. Just look at these views. There goes the drone. Love my pa. And then we, of course, headed off the ship. So excited Liam was. And then as soon as you get onto the island, they take those pictures of you. And I had bought the package. The package was very cheap. I think I got it for less than $100, and it was unlimited photos. So, of course, we took all of them. And us three in our lovely hats. There are a ton of different areas on this island to go to, different beaches, lagoons, and things like that. You just have to walk to get to some of them.
Across that bridge. We're going on the other side of that.
Just beautiful views everywhere. They do provide free trams as well. We just didn't feel like waiting in the lines. And then in this picture coming up, can you spot all the lizards right here on the rocks right now? And then we got to South Beach, and this is what we saw. It was a hurricane technically in the Bahamas, just not near us, but the waves were crazy, so we had to go elsewhere. So we just turned around and went to the lagoon. Got 2 chairs and an umbrella for $40. Look at my dad with the lovely ship in the background. This was a great spot. We had 3 food trucks behind us, great vegetarian options. Our drink package was included on the island, so we just sat, swam, tried to snorkel, and had a wonderful day. It was very windy, I will say that.
Somebody want to help me out?
I gotcha. Then we headed back to the ship. You can get back off, which is awesome with MSC. They stay late on the island, and they have a beach party at night. They do fire pits. They do a lighthouse show. It's amazing. So we got back on, hung out at the back adults pool, and then went to dinner and got off again. This is our amazing friend Dawn that we met. Her and my dad had matching bathing suits. So stinking cute and funny. We then got ready for dinner, which was tropical night. Let's have some fun. I know. This was just the front of the dining room. They really did great decorating for the holiday. The bread baskets and the different breads were so delicious each night. Those coconut shrimp were amazing. It was Caribbean night. Those were amazing as well. And then I went back to the basic basil pasta, which was delicious. My son got the Caribbean rum cake, which he liked. My uncle got the key lime pie, and I, of course, got the grandma's chocolate cake again. We headed off the ship just in time to watch the sunset on the island. MSC's private island, Ocean Cay, is absolutely gorgeous. This area right here is called the Lighthouse Beach, wonderful picture area taking, but they have a party on the beach every night, and they do an LED lighthouse show. So we got off, got ourselves some free chairs, bean bags to sit in, which are available on the beach. And as soon as it got dark, we started to watch the show. It was a wonderful night.
You might have already done it. There's another boat out there. Did you get that too? With the...
Let's watch this beautiful sunset together. Bye, son. This is definitely the spot to be at. Free chairs, bean bags to hang out. Look at this view of the lighthouse of the ship.
Wake me when room. I don't need him.
This is how me and Tim played football.
We hung out here and waited for it to get dark so we could watch the light show. I had on these cool pink glasses and decided to use them with my camera. We are ready for the lighthouse show. Let's go. Now it's time for the nighttime beach party. So much fun. After the beach, we made our way back to the ship and took in all the beautiful views. The beach and the ship at night are just absolutely gorgeous, and we really, really enjoyed our time at Ocean Cay and with MSC.
Deck 18.
Noticed because the next day was Halloween, they were definitely decorating more. I then headed to the casino, spent a little bit of money, and I wanted to head towards the Galleria Meraviglia because they were having an LED show, and then of course the tropical party was after. Stay tuned for day 6 where it's Halloween on board MSC Meraviglia. And as always, thanks for watching Destiny's Destinations. Subscribe and like for more mother and son cruise and travel content.